I'm excited to introduce you to Shark's newest 3-in-1 air purifier, heater, and fan. This air purifier gives me the confidence and peace of mind with real-time feedback, so I always understand the quality of air that's circulating in my home. This Shark Air Purifier has unique nanoseal HEPA technology that effectively traps harmful particles and keeps them out of the air you breathe. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your Shark 3-in-1 air purifier. To get started, choose an area in your home to set up your air purifier. We recommend a room where you spend most of your time to get the maximum cleaning and comfort benefits. Once you find the perfect spot, make sure the air purifier is placed on a flat surface near an outlet. For safety and maximum airflow, place the air purifier at least 3 feet away from the wall to ensure none of the vents are blocked by furniture or other items. Position the front display outward so your air quality is always visible. Before operating, you will see a yellow warning flag. This is to inform you that you must remove the filter from its plastic packaging before plugging in the air purifier. To do so, first remove the filter door from the back of the air purifier. Then take out the filter and then remove it from the plastic packaging. Finally, place the filter back inside and reinstall the filter door. Now you're ready to go. Press the power button on the air purifier or remote control to power the air purifier on. After a few seconds, the front display will show you an air quality and current room temperature in the purified fan mode. You can now begin to customize the settings to your comfort. If you decide to move your air purifier within your home, be sure to turn it off, unplug it, and carefully carry it to its new location. It's also important to keep the top of your air purifier clean of any items and keep liquids away from the device to prevent damage. When it's time to change your filter, the filter life text will blink to notify that your filter life has reached 0%. Your filter ensures your air purifier is always working at its best, so be sure to replace your filter regularly. Shark recommends changing your filter every 6 to 12 months. However, if you are particularly sensitive to allergies, you may benefit from changing it sooner. After installing a new filter, press and hold Air Info button on the remote for 3 seconds to reset the filter life. Now the filter is clean and the air purifier is ready to get back to keeping your air fresh. You can find replacement filters at sharkaccessories.com. With Shark 3-in-1 air purifier, heater, and fan, you can feel confident that your home is getting the all-day cleaning comfort it deserves. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.